guys, welcome back to Zik the Programming Guide channel. My name is Beatrice, and today's video I'll be showing you how to install the Easy Home Screen app. So the Easy Home Screen app is actually to help you simplify your smartphone interface with large icon, big text, and streamlined layers. It make your phone very sweet to control and the rest of that. I actually use a clean UI interface. And how do you install that? Go to your Play Store, right, and search for Easy Home Screen and you install that. So let's wait for it to install. So the app is actually good. I think if you're using a Samsung, it's going to come together with your phone, whereby you can just go to your settings to turn that on, and it's very fast, right? So this is just how to install it and set it up in your phone. If this guide was helpful, give the thumbs up and click subscribe to get more episodes like this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.